Alright, everybody. I am going to try the exhaust with and without the muffler on it. Or, I mean, the silencer. So, let's start up with it out. Because it's already out.
Making a video. Oh, he is. Ooh,
And then,
you can be in it. I don't want to get in the video.
there's a big difference in the sound with the silencer in it. Alright. I'm going to take the silencer out while you're watching so you can actually hear the difference. It's big. Well, I was wondering, and that settles it. It sounds a lot better without the muffler in, but I think if I'm gonna putt around my neighborhood, I might put it back in, but probably not. Haha. See you guys later.